works as a fan actually. That's quite good. Hey Brian, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this video I'm gonna share this Halloween craft with you guys. It's super easy to do, but it's quite fun, especially for the younger ones. So yeah, let's jump straight into that. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I hope you do join me and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yes, stay tuned for more fun, creative videos. I post a lot of paintings, I post a lot of crafts, paper crafts, and whatnot, die cuts, all sorts on this channel. So yes, stay with me, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Ha det bra!